Hey everybody, it's JC here, and I just wanted to say thank you because I'm coming to you from Castle Cornette, my fortress of solitude, in front of the Wall of Fame, but there's a new addition that's going up on that Wall of Fame, and you guys had a big part to play in it, and I'm talking about this bad boy right here, official Jim Cornette for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, of course, the YouTube people are slow as molasses in January because, as you all know, since you frequent this channel and you're part of this award, that we passed 100,000 subscribers a long time ago, and we're now just a handful, a sprinkling as I speak, short of 200,000. And I've been told we don't get another reward for 200,000. I've been lobbying for quite some time for cake. I feel a celebratory cake would have been more in order for 100,000 subscribers, or even 200,000, or even 14,000 for that matter, than this. But however, this doesn't have icing, but it's still nice. So it's going up on the Wall of Fame, and all of you guys who have subscribed to official Jim Cornette can, well, you can't come over and look at it because I won't let you in my fucking house. But you can, I'll take a picture of it and post it later, and you can look at it anytime you're feeling down. But this is part of you guys too. Thank you very much from me and all of the people behind the Cornette empire, such as the great Brian Last, Hotchkiss Featherbottom, and so many more. Thank you guys.